To download dbWatch, you can go to the main web page, go to Get Started, and scroll down to get your free evaluation. Then fill out the form, and you can get a download link to download the software. There is also additional information about the installation and setup of the product if you go to the wiki.dbwatch.com page. I have downloaded the software already, so it's here in my downloads folder. And I can double click to start the installation. Now we just wait for the installer to start. We click yes on this picture. And so this is the installer. It's very easy to get going. It's next. And then you have the license agreement. Accept the license agreement. Click next. This is the installation path. We'll go with the defaults here. This is in program files. We install the monitor as well. And we create a shortcut. Terminal server settings, only more for terminal server setups. You have predefined, you can predefine the host and the port that all users will have as their default when they connect the first time. Next, and then we install the service. So if you're just installing the monitor client for your PC, you will deselect this and then go ahead and install. But right now we're installing both the client and the service. We go with the default server names, the default port, and where we have our work directory. And here you can have different server IDs if you want to name the different dbWatch servers different names. We'll go with the defaults here. Click next, and then next, and then we have the summary screen. Next, and that is how we do the installation of the software. But we'll also do the initial configuration of the client. So we click finish, and then we go to the desktop. We have the icon for dbWatch, and this is the first time you connect to fresh dbWatch service. You will be prompted with some extra information so that we can configure the domain, etc. So now we're starting the client. So we are now in the domain login, and we are adding a server to the client. We have already installed the service, so it will be on this address. Now, if we're connecting the first time from another host, this won't be localhost, it will be the IP address or host name of that server. So we click connect, and as we are connecting to an unconfigured node, we have multiple choices. So we can set up as a demo server, which means that you get an evaluation license in the software, and you get it set up to do evaluation for yourself. Or you can set up as a domain controller, which is the option you use if you have a license from dbWatch. As you get prompted with the license file, you have to include that. That's the difference. The demo server, it will get a self-site license. So I'll just type in a username and then a password. And we click apply. And now it creates a new license for this demo test environment, and configure the server. And you will see setup is okay. Just click OK, and then see we are connected, and we can close this, and we can see on the top that we are connected to the right dbWatch server, and we are now ready for the next step. which will be in the next video, where we'll add database instances to this installation. Thank you for listening, and see you again in the next video. dbWatch Control Center, redefining database operations. Please visit us at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube.